at him.
Okay, you're gonna poke at him.
Poke. Move. Don't let me hit you.
I don't want to get dirty. Help me up.
You already... We should like take off, run and leave him down here.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's a good idea.
Help me up.
Oh yeah, guys, this is Terabithia.
That was mean.
Oh, he's hit your ear.
He's like a zoo animal.
If I got up, my pants will go down. So help me up.
He's wearing boxers.
What if they go down too?
Your boxers won't go down, Zachary.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, by the way, that is the bridge to Terabithia. You gotta spin around 3 times under there to enter Terabithia.
You like... Ow!
Ow!
I just sliced my knuckle with my fingernail. You stupid queer.
Kevin, help me up.
Okay.
I don't think I love you that much. Ready?
I think I'm retarded. Help
This
me
is
up.
why Terabithia is so special.
I know. It's like a zoo. Did you guys know Indians used to live here, and then suddenly my brother here, he came and he ate all the Indians.
Help me up.
He ate all the Indians. And now we're safe.
Oh my... That's an awful sound. I don't like that.
Oh, what? Oh my gosh.
I just broke the bark off it.
Oh gosh. Goodness. Anyways. Yeah, the bridge, spin around 3 times. Zachary came and ate all the Indians. There's our vine. Oh my gosh! Kristen, did Zachary break our vine?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Break what?
The vine!
I'm blind. Help me up.
Fatty? Gosh!
Kill.
He broke our vine. That used to go all the way across to this tree. Oh my gosh. And that's our backup vine that we can't reach. And then our other backup vine is across there. And we cut its pieces, and so we can like swing on it. Kristen, how's the zoo coming?
Bad. I'm taming him. Bad. No. Ew, you had a spider on you. No, don't do that. It's hanging from your hair.
Oh, gross. Oh.
Ew, that's awesome.
Me and Kristen
Oh, thanks for
hate
throwing all that
spiders.
stuff at me. You brought me like 40 spiders. Help me up.
Kristen, don't touch it.
Bad. Down. Sit. Bad. No, back.
Okay.
Oh, that's funny. We should do that.
I think that's our update on Terabithia and the Indians. Yeah, bye.
Oh, what?